Holy mackerel, I'm close. Okay, hello and welcome back. I'm on the lot, but today I'm in front of the camera because I want to talk to you about satellite radio. A lot of people ask me about satellite radio. Mark, it's expensive, but I love it. Here's how to get it on the cheap, all right? Here you go. Now, there's a couple different ways if you have it and if you don't have it. So let's go through the different ways. Just take a couple minutes. Now, if you do not currently have it turned on, but it's in your car, okay, and you want it, call them and have a free trial turned on. Generally, they'll turn on a free trial. Okay, and I'm going to put the number at the bottom here. I don't know it off the top of my head. So I'm going to put it at the screen here, SiriusXM. Okay, and they will turn it on. At the end of this trial, you will get offered a deal of $30 for 6 months. Or sometimes when you call them, say, hey, you got that $30 for 6 month deal. Really? And they turn it on. It's just as simple as that. It's $5 a month. Now, and I'll tell you how to continue it for $5 a month. You don't have to pay this $15 a month. If you have it on your car and you're in a free trial, okay, cancel it at the end of the free trial. The same way as if you're in your car now and you're paying $15 a month for it, $14.95 or whatever, cancel it. Okay, cancel it. Now, both of these bills, make sure XM has your email address. Okay, that's very important. Because when you cancel it, within usually a couple days, I've been doing this, by the way, for 10, 12 years, okay, maybe more. I'm an early adopter of it. You're maybe a week at the most. You're going to get an email from XM, SiriusXM, says, oh, please, like Market says, please come back to satellite radio. Here's $30 for 6 months. Sometimes it's 12 months for $60. Either way, it's $5 a month. Now, sign up for that deal, pay them, boom, your radio's back on in 5 minutes. Now you go, what do I do at the end of this 6 months, 12 months? Mark on your calendar when the expiration date is, because they're going to make you sign up and give them your credit card or debit card so that they can continue to charge you the $14.95 a month at the end of the free trial period. But remember, like it says, there's no early cancellation fee, cancel anytime. So say it ends December 20th, okay? December 18th, you go on and cancel satellite radio. Cancel it, right? And do this process all over again. What? Yes. So all you do is cancel it right before they charge you the $15. Within a few days, maybe a week at the most, you will get an offer to turn it back on, come back. It says come back on your inactive radio, $30, 6 months. I'm telling you, I do it all the time. It works great. It's on in both my cars. I've had it on a semi for many, many years. I got it in 2003, 2004, maybe even before that. It's been a long time since I've had it. And I never pay more than $5 a month, and you don't have to either. Okay, you can pay the cheap rate, $5 a month, well worth $1.25 a week. I love satellite radio. You can listen to all your music, Zune, your Microsoft Zunes that I know you're all listening to, all you want, okay? I'm sticking with satellite radio. I drive a semi. I want traffic. I want stations that are the same across the country. We listen to old-time radio. There's so many good things about it. I wish they paid me. You'll notice it's not sponsored. It's sponsored only by me because I love satellite radio, and I'm their biggest supporter, even though they pay me zero and don't give me free radio, which they should. That's how you're going to get satellite radio for $5, okay? I want to help everybody out with that. We're going to be back soon with more. We're going to go do a Lincoln. We got this new Lincoln coming out. It's an MKX that has changed into something else, right? We're going to do we got a lot of cars coming up. Okay, we're going to be back soon with more. Thanks for watching on The Lot. I appreciate you being there, and we're going to be back soon. Thank you.